Hello students, welcome to lecture number 10 of BRM. In previous classes we talked about your research thesis, in which finally I gave a small touch to references, how to write a reference. Today we have got the whole topic on this reference writing. How we are writing reference or references, the complete list of the references at the last of your research, it is called a reference list. Now there are different styles, different methods by which we can write references, but in social sciences we are using a specific style by the name of APA style. APA style, American Psychological Association style, which is used in social sciences. However, starting from the reference list, what is reference list? You see at the last of every research there is a list that is called list of references, that is called a reference list. So reference list is the complete list of references used in writing, obviously in research thesis. So at the end of every research, at the end of every book, you see references list, that is called a reference list. Now there are some criteria, some rules and regulations for writing the APA reference list, American Psychological Association references writing technique. In APA, reference must, number one, be on a new page at the end of the document. Obviously, we should not start the references list from the mid of the document, from the mid of the page, but we should start from new page. And it remains, the references remains at the last of your research thesis or document or book, whatever the writing is, whatever the document is, but it must be at the last of the document or research thesis, starting from new page. Number second, not contain page number. Whenever we are writing a research thesis, you have seen thesis book. For example, it contains some 100 pages from chapter number 1 to chapter number 5, last page 100 pages. And this reference list will come on 101 page. But we are not writing 101 page number on the reference list. A reference list page carries no page number. This is rule number second of APA style. Number third, be centered. Be centered means, you have seen in the computer that list can be started from here, list can be started from here, and some list can be started from the mid. So reference list must be located at the center of the page. These are some basic principles of the reference writing. We are moving forward to explain more. Number 4, in APA, reference must contain the surname first and the first name last. For example, we are taking a reference from the book of Syed Zishan. Syed Zishan, so in this name the surname is Zishan. So Zishan name we should bring it first, and then we should write Syed last. Surname Zishan, first name at the last. So Zishan, comma Syed. So we are separating the name, bringing the last name first and taking the first name to the last, separated by a comma. Contain the surname of first and first name last in case of one author. When the writer is one person, so if his name contains two words, so what we are doing, we are taking his surname first and first name last. You should remember this thing, very important. In some cases there are two or more authors. What we are doing over there, we are simply, okay, number 5, for two authors, their surnames are written separated by end. When there are two authors, for example, there are two authors and their names are contained of two words or three words. For example, Asad Ali Khan. So Khan is his surname with another name, for example, Asad Khalil. So Khalil is his surname. So we are taking only Khan and Khalil over here, and we are separating them by end. Khan and Khalil. We have taken their surname separated by and we are writing over there. So for two authors, their surnames are written separated by and, A and D, and. This is rule number 5 for writing APA style reference. It is very much important to keep in your mind. Point number 7 is after name, year of publication, then topic name, and lastly book name is written with page number. In most of the cases, page number is not written, but year of publication is must. I told you Asad Khalil. We have taken something from the book of Asad Khalil, and that book has been published in 2017. So we are writing Khalil, and then in bracket we are writing the year of publication 2017. Then topic name. What was the topic name in the book of Khalil? We are writing that name separated by inverted commas. And lastly book name. Then we are writing the book name, it is book. In certain cases, in some references or some researchers, they are also writing the name of the city in which the book was published. So after first they are writing the name, then year of publication, then topic name, lastly book name, then with two inverted comma name of the city or name of the province. And at the last, some people are also writing page number. Page number, they are not writing like conventional page number. Instead, they are writing PP 108. It means that we have taken this thing from the book of Khalil, which was written over there on page number 108. Now, this was for conventional books, hard books. Sometimes we are also doing citation. Now, first I should explain citation to you people. Whenever we are taking something from the book of other person, we are converting it into our own words. I have told you in previous lecture also, in the literature review specifically, they're taking the piece of work, piece of writing, an idea from the other book, by writing his name, by giving his reference with year of publication in your own words. This is called citation. So sometimes this citation may be from hard book or it may be from soft book. In case of soft book or e-book, what we are doing, for e-book, author name, year, in title, etc. are written. Three things are written over here. Author name writing should have the same criteria as these hard books are having. Then year of publication, then we are writing the title. At the same time we are taking URL of that book, and after that on the same line we are attaching it with it the URL of that book. So these are some basic techniques of writing reference. In your research thesis, according to the APA style, it is very much important to write it, because most of the time we are asking these questions in the defense of your thesis, that how we are writing reference. They don't know ABC. You should not be like this. You should read it, watch my video, or write each and every word what I explained. Stay at your home and be safe. Khuda Hafiz.